Math 5, Quarter 1, Week 7. Base and height of a parallelogram, triangle, and trapezoid. Learning competencies and objectives. Lesson Objective 1. Identify the height of a parallelogram, triangle, and trapezoid in different orientations. Lesson Objective 2. Find the area of a parallelogram, triangle, and trapezoid in square centimeters or square meter using formulas. Content. Base and height of a parallelogram, triangle, and trapezoid. Formulas for the area of parallelograms, triangles, and trapezoids. And now let's have a short review. Complete the table. Review on parallelograms, triangles, and trapezoids. I want you to find the base, height, and area of the figures in the first column by counting the number of squares. Let's start. Okay, the base for this figure is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And its height is 3. 1, 2, 3. And the area is 18. So since this is a parallelogram, we simply multiply the base and the height. 6 times 3 equals 18. Next figure is a triangle. And the base of the triangle is 8. And its height is 3. And the area is 12. So we get this by multiplying the base and the height divided by 2. 8 times 3 is 24, divided by 2 is 12. Next, we have a trapezoid. A trapezoid has two bases. We have base 1, which is 7, and base 2, which is 3. And the height is 4. So the area is 20. So how do we get this? So we add the base 1 and base 2. 7 plus 10 equals 7 plus 3 equals 10. And we multiply by 4. 10 times 4 equals 40, divided by 2 equals 20. So the area is 20. So I want you to observe the old figures, which is drawn on a grid line, and the new figures. Okay, so let's have the lesson purpose. Identify the height of a parallelogram, triangle, and trapezoid, even if the shape is turned. Find the area of each shape using the right formula and write the answer in square centimeters or square meters. Let's begin. Lacking vocabulary. The figures could be covered by smaller squares. A single square is a square unit, while the one side length of a square unit is what we call linear unit. So one square is one square unit, and one side of the square is called one linear unit. Do you get me? The length is the number of linear units of the longer side, and the width, while the width is the number of units of the shorter side. So remember, the length is the longer side, and width is the shorter side. And the area is the number of square units that cover the surface of the figure. So all the squares in a figure that cover the figure is called the area. A triangle is a three-sided polygon. So it's a polygon with 3 sides. It is called triangle. The length of a perpendicular line segment from a vertex to the opposite side. So the length of perpendicular from the base is 1. Base, it's the height. So the length of the perpendicular line segment, this is the line segment kanang nasa tunga at the center. perpendicular from the vertex to the opposite side. Gikan sa vertex to the opposite side, it's called the height. A parallelogram is a four-sided polygon with two pairs of opposite sides parallel. So remember that a parallelogram na siya two sides, two pairs. This one, the green, is one pair, and the red one is the second pair, the first pair and the second pair. A trapezoid is a four-sided polygon with one pair of opposite sides parallel. Okay, there is only one pair. Side A and side B, this one pair of parallel sides. Only one pair. When we say parallel, class, if you're going to extend the line, it will not intersect. Dili sila magtagbo. So, in this case, only side A and side B are parallel. Parallelogram and trapezoid, the length of the perpendicular line from the base line to the line parallel to it. Okay, so from the base to the base, perpendicular line from this base 1 and base 2, that is the height of the parallelogram and trapezoid. Okay, heights of a parallelogram, triangle, and trapezoid. I want you to look at the triangle ABC. ABC. Can you draw the height of the triangle? Once you've drawn it, remember this. The height of a triangle is the length of the straight perpendicular line from the base to the opposite corner or vertex. So our base here is AB. Okay, so the height starts from the base AB to the opposite corner, which is the vertex C. So from the base to the vertex, that is the height of a triangle. The height you got is when AB is the base. Yes, if AB is the base, so that is the height that we got. Now let's rotate the triangle so that side BC is lying flat horizontally. Now, let us look at the triangle again. Let us rotate the triangle, and BC now is our base since it's lying flat horizontally. So, do we have the same height? Yes or no? Okay, then why or why not? The height of a triangle depends on which side you choose as the base. So magdepende ang height sa triangle, it depends upon the base. So here, base is AB, so the height is this. Base is CA, the height is longest. And the height is BC, so the height from here short, long, longer. Okay? That is. So, any of the three sides can be the base. So, in a triangle, B's and S's of three sides can be the base. So, a triangle can have three different heights. So, when the base is changed, automatically, the height is also changed. And now, let's identify the lengths of the base and height of the following polygons in the first figure. Each base is 6 centimeters and its height is 3 centimeters. Second figure, the base is 5 meters and the height is 3 meters. In the third figure, the base is 8 cm and the height is 6 cm. The fourth figure, the base is 7 cm and the height is 6 cm. Just like triangles, parallelograms and trapezoids also have bases. This means the height depends on which side you choose as the base. The height of a parallelogram or trapezoid is the length of the straight perpendicular line from the base to the line that is parallel to it. On the first figure, the base is JS. Second figure, the base is SM. Third figure, the base is OM. And the fourth figure, the base is JO. As you can see, they have different bases. It depends upon which side is lying flat horizontally. This is parallelogram JOMS or Jones, and it has the 4 different bases. Can you identify the base and the height of the given figures? Okay, in figure 1, the base is 4M and the height is 9M or 9 meters. Next, second figure, the base is 6 meters and the height is 7 meters. In the third figure, the base is 12 centimeters and the height is 8 centimeters. Did you get the correct answer? And now, trapezoid, different from triangles with 3 heights and parallelograms with 2. Trapezoids only have 1 since they only have 1 pair of parallel sides. The height of a trapezoid RITQ is the length of the line that is perpendicular to both sides RI and TQ. So here, mailan na to ang height sa trapezoid because it is drawn from the base 1 to the base 2. So our base 1 is RI and our base 2 is TQ. So the trapezoid is only 2 bases. Na siya 2 bases. Side RI, this one, the first base, and side TQ. Sides RQ and IT can be the bases, since the 2 sides are not parallel to each other. So there are only 2. And this side, RQ and IT, can't be, dili pwede mahimong base, because they are not parallel to each other. Trapezoid RITQ only has 1 height. There is only 1 height. The height remains the same regardless of the base being side, RI, or TQ. So, whatever the base is, the height remains the same. Okay? So, let's have the lesson activity. Fill in the table. Fill the table with the base and the height. Here are the answers. Now let's proceed to the subtopic 2, areas of parallelograms, triangles, and trapezoids. Okay, area of a parallelogram. Okay, we have the given. Our base is 20 centimeters and our height is 12 centimeters. The formula in finding the area of a parallelogram is A equals base times height. Substitute the value of base, which is 20, and the height, which is 12. Then multiply. 20 times 12 equals 240 square centimeters. Now let's proceed to the area of a triangle. Okay, the triangle has a base of 16 centimeters and a height of 15 centimeters. Using the formula A equals base times height divided by 2, let us substitute the given value. Okay, so our base is 16 times height, which is 15 over 2. 16 times 15 equals 240, divided by 2 equals 120. So the area of this triangle is 120 square meters. And now let's solve the area of a trapezoid. Given, our base 1 is 18 feet, our base 2 is 12 feet, and our height is 8 feet. Using the formula A equals the sum of base 1 and base 2 times height divided by 2. And now let's substitute the given values with the formula. our base 1 is 18 plus our base 2 is 12 times 8 divided by 2. Okay, in this case, we're going to use the GEMDAS rule to solve this. Okay, we add first what's the number inside the parentheses, which are 18 plus 12. Okay, 18 plus 12 equals 20 times 8 divided by 2. 20 times 8 equals 160 divided by 2 equals 80. So the answer is the area of this trapezoid is 80 square feet. And now, let us find the area of each figure. I want you to solve this in your notebook. Thank you so much for watching. So if you find this video informative and you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel, Kinabuhing Maestra, and hit the notification bell for you to be updated with the upcoming uploads.